This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable Snap to Grid in Adobe Illustrator. I will be using Illustrator 2023 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Illustrator here. Okay, I have Illustrator opened up now. First, I'll show you how to enable the grid in Illustrator. To enable the grid, all you need to do is go up to the top up here and click on the View tab. I'm going to click on View. Then you want to go all the way down toward the bottom here, and right here is Show Grid. If you click on that, now it shows the grid. To enable Snap to Grid, you want to repeat the same process. You want to go up to the View tab, click on the View tab, and then you'll go down toward the bottom down here. And you can see right here, instead of saying Show Grid, it now says Hide Grid. But you go one below that, Snap to Grid. To enable Snap to Grid, you want to click on this. Now Snap to Grid has been enabled. Now to disable Snap to Grid, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the View tab. You want to click on that. And first, I'm going to go down toward the bottom, and I'm going to disable the grid. I'm going to hide the grid. I'm going to click on that, Hide Grid. Now the grid has been hidden. It's still there, but it has been hidden, and the Snap to Grid is still enabled. Snap to Grid is still turned on. To turn off Snap to Grid, you want to go back up to the View tab, click on View, and go back down toward the bottom. And right here you could see next to Snap to Grid, there's a check mark. That means it's turned on. I'm going to click on it again, and now Snap to Grid has been disabled. That is how you enable or disable Snap to Grid using Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching.